Welcome to Sheet Leveler. My name is Joanne, and I'm here to help you learn to use Excel efficiently and straightforwardly. Today, we are going to show you how to easily change a date format in Excel. Let's check it out. Different parts of the world utilize different date formats. For instance, the United States utilizes the format month-day-year. Let's examine the data table more closely and figure out how we can quickly and easily reformat the dates to our desired format. To begin, we should choose all the dates that we would like to alter the format of. To format cells, use your right mouse button to click on the Format Cells option. To begin, let's ensure that the cells in this window are formatted as dates. The locale field is set to United States to indicate the location. As I previously said, in the United States, the common way to write out dates is with the month preceding the day and year in the format of month-day-year. If we need to convert the American date format to a European one, we can make the necessary adjustments. Let's take a look at the location menu and find the option for the United Kingdom. This will change our date format to the European style. If you take a look at the type field, you'll notice that the available options for different date formats have been modified. The reason for this is that in Europe, the most common format for writing dates is day-month-year. Now that we have selected the best date format for our needs, let's click OK to finish the process. In our spreadsheet, the date format originally used in the United States, which displayed the month first, has been changed to a European format, with the day listed before the month. We have decided that the final date format we will use is day-month-year. By using this method, you will be able to quickly and conveniently establish the desired date format whenever you need it. If you would like to gain additional knowledge about how to work with dates in Excel, please find the links to watch more tutorials in the description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, give my video a like. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button and join our online community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.